guys, it's your girl Lashes Tony X. Oh, how are you guys doing today? It's a little late, guys, but I'm doing my Project Pan update. So it's been 2 months. I'm a little behind. I will be doing a check-in in November, and I will be doing a final check-in in December for this year-long rolling Project Pan of 2019. So let's just get started. I do have one empty that I'm really happy about. I finished it over the summer. Let's talk about that first. So this is the Neutrogena Shine Control Powder. If you guys remember this, I don't have pictures like most pros that do Project Pan. They have pictures. I don't have pictures. But if you go back and look on when I first started this, and then just watch my Project Pan. I'll put my Project Pan playlist, and I'll link that for you guys, and you can just watch my progress. But I did have a pretty good bit around here, and it's completely gone, and I really did finish it, you guys. I was so proud of myself. This is pretty old. I was so glad to finish it and get it out of my collection. I will not be repurchasing this because I do have other products that are for shine control, and this was not my absolute favorite, but I'm glad I finished it. It was great. It was good for a drugstore, I guess. But yeah, so I'm so happy that I finished this. So let's all do it. So this is definitely going in my empties, you guys. This is the only thing that I completely used up. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about stuff I've done pretty well on. And then we'll go to the kind of stuff I haven't done well on. Another thing I'm almost empty with, this is like getting very, very, very low. You're not going to be able to see the progress. This is the Smashbox, what are they called? They're called the Audacious Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in Chill Zone. I'm actually wearing it today. It's just like a really fun kind of grunge color. I like to pull it out during the fall and winter months. It is very kind of like if you don't bronze your skin, you could look dead. So it's one you have to be a little careful about, but I promise you, I feel like I have like maybe 2 or 3 more uses of this and it's gonna be gone. So I'm pretty certain this one's gonna be completely gone by the time I do my final check-in in December. My finale, I guess, in December. I'm really excited about, but this one pretty sure will be gone. So more progress. Okay, if you guys remember, I completely used up my Becca Hydra Mist. Completely used it up. So I decided to put my IT Cosmetics Pores No More powder in here, and this is what I have left in this one. So as you can see, I'm doing pretty well on this, and I'm pretty sure I can have this finished by the finale. I do have a lot of new powders that I've been playing with, but I really do need to pull this during my Shop My Stash, pull a lot of these during Shop My Stash and stuff like that. But this is how much powder I have left, which I think I'm doing really good on powders. I've been going through the powders. So I'm really proud of myself. Like I said, I finished the Hydra Mist, the Becca Hydra Mist. I finished the Neutrogena Shine Control, and now I'm hoping to finish the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores by the finale, December. Look for it. It will be gone. Fingers crossed. It will be gone. Okay, so I'm really happy about the progress of that. I feel like I'm staying at the same progress of this one. This one is the Shimmer Bronzing Powder by Model Co. I have so many bronzers, you guys, that I use bronzers every day of my life. I put them on my body. I wear them on my face. Today I have it on my body. I have this one. I'm wearing this one today. I'm wearing a lot of the products that is in my project pan on my face today, just because I wanted to just get my use out of it. But I feel like I've hit pan here, and I feel like this was the same size pan as when I started this project. So I don't feel like I'm doing very well on this. And honestly, I'm not going to finish this by the finale at all. But like I said, this is my first project pan. So by the time the finale comes, I feel like I'm still going to be proud of myself for at least trying to finish this product. But this is what I've got so far. Hopefully I can get a little bit more around the edges by November anyway. I've been using this Maybelline Lash Sensational. I think I told you guys last time, this is not my favorite mascara, so I don't like using it, but it is in my Shop My Stash. I think maybe it might be in my Shop My Stash, so I'm gonna try to use it this week. It's not bad. I don't like absolutely hate it. I just don't love it. So I'm gonna try and finish this up. It's still wet. It's still good, so it's not dried out or anything. I'm gonna keep it. So the progress on this, it's not good. There's no way for me to show you progress on that. My foundation, this is the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. It used to be my favorite. I don't really like heavy coverage foundations anymore. I like more medium coverage foundations now. But I do want to finish this out of my collection, and I have not moved since I put a mark on it right here. As you can see, I'm still the same. I have not used it since 2 months ago when I did this project pan update. So it's been 2 months since I've used this. Not good. Will I finish this by my finale? It's not looking good. Because like I said, I have so many new foundations, and I'm just really more into medium coverage foundations. So this is not my favorite anymore like it used to be. So I'm trying to finish it, but I haven't touched it in 2 months, and I only have 2 more months left before my finale, and it's not looking pretty on this one. I did put a palette in my project pan, even though this was my first one ever. It's very kind of like, what's the word I'm looking for? It's very kind of like, I don't even know what the word is, like almost like stupid. But I did it because I thought I could do it. But you guys, I haven't touched this palette since 2 months ago. And the one I'm trying to hit pan on is this one right here. It does have a dip in it. You can tell. This shimmer and this shimmer are my most used in this palette, and I thought I could hit pan on this, but I don't think I'm going to be able to hit pan on this by my finale. But I'm a little disappointed in myself, but I did have kind of like really high expectations. So this right here is called the Camo Full Coverage Concealer. It's by Makeup Forever. I can tell that like I'm almost, I don't know, I feel like it lasts forever though. Every time I squeeze some out, I'm like, I'm almost there. But then, because you only need like this little tiny drop, so every time I like squeeze a little bit out, you just need like a really tiny drop of this. I usually use this to cover up blemishes or something, but I still have the same line from 2 months ago, so no progress to show you on the concealer, which is a bummer. Another concealer I have that I added to my project 2 months ago is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I even took the, what do you call this thing? The little stopper out, because I'm honestly almost through with this. So I know I can be done with this one for sure by my Finale. This Anastasia one, I don't have much left in this. I'll show you. That's all I have. That's all I have in here. But I don't have that much to go. So I'm going to try my damnedest to try to finish this by my Finale. I've got to do it. I've got to have a good update for you guys by November. I'm really going to work on that. The last two products I want to talk about are these two lipsticks that I never wear anymore. I don't wear the Kat Von D Sanctuary anymore. It used to be my holy grail. It's not my holy grail anymore. And this one's the ColourPop Beeper. I don't wear this one either. So I'm going to take these out of the project because I know I'm not going to finish these. And I'm going to try to add something else, I think. And I think I am going to do some rotating. I'm going to take some things out that I'm either bored with or that, like, for instance, the Eco eyeliner. I think I'm just going to throw this one away since it is dried out. I'm going to replace it with my Tarte Maneater. Well, the Tarte Maneater is a little bit smaller, but I use this every single day to cover my lash line. So, and this one is super black. So I think I'm going to declutter this one or put it in my empties and go ahead and replace the Eco one with the Tarte. I think I'm going to do that because I think I can have this done in 2 months. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to replace this. This is now in my empties along with this. So these are going to be my empties, the Neutrogena Shine Control and the Eco liner. Another thing that I'm kind of over, I guess, and I want to take it out of my project pan. It was a little, I don't know, just too much for me to do. I'm going to take out the Urban Decay Naked Heat because, I mean, I feel like I did pretty well to begin with. I don't think I'm going to hit any more pan. I have so many palettes. I don't think that's going to happen. So I'm going to replace it with one of my favorite highlighters, the Becca, Chloe, and Malika highlighter. I do have a dip in my highlighter. If you can see that, I do have a dip in it. So I'm going to see if in 2 months I can completely at least hit Baby Pan right in the center in there. That's going to be my goal. It's not going to be to finish the palette or to hit pan on any of these. It's to hit Baby Pan on the highlighter. So that's going to be my new rolling project. Are these two products right here. Excited. I feel like I've worked so hard on the foundation that I don't want to take it out. So I'm going to keep it in, even though I'm really tired of it. I'm going to keep it in. I was going to replace it. I had two that I'm low on, and I was going to add those, but I think I'm just going to keep this one in. So yeah, that's going to wrap up our project pan for October update. Make sure you stay tuned for the November update, and then December I will have the finale. But anyway, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the project pan update. I think I did okay, not the best, but not the worst either. So yeah, if you like project pan videos, please make sure to give my video a big thumbs up. I would totally appreciate it. And I will have my project pan playlist link for you guys, and you can check them out to see my progress. I have a good amount of them right now. Like I said, this is my first year to do project pan, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to do another one for next year for sure. I have a new upload schedule, so make sure to tune in on Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. That is my new upload schedule, but I also will have some uploads, kind of random uploads, either on a Sunday, a Tuesday, or a Friday. So about 5 videos a week is my new upload schedule. If you're not subscribed, like I said, please hit that subscribe button and join the Lashes Tony XO family. We would love to have you here. And leave your comments down below and let me know if you're working on any project pan items or anything like that, I would love to hear about it. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.